Since GSM radio started its tremendous success in the early 90s of the past century, mobile data has become more and more significant. In the early days of mobile personal communication, speech was the only application used. But soon, customers demanded mobile fax and email transfer, which was limited by the low bit rate of 9.6 kilobits per second. Since 1999, a bundling of up to 4 time slots has been possible, called high-speed circuit switch data, or HSCSD, providing modem speeds of up to 57.6 kilobits per second. The General Packet Radio Service, available since 2000, introduced the packet-oriented data transfer to legacy GSM systems, enabling the personal Internet. Enhanced data rates for global evolution, or EDGE, is the migration step towards 3G systems, providing 384 kilobits per second in circuit-switched mode and 474 kilobits per second in packet-switched mode, and hence true personal mobile multimedia.